Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be finishing off our calculator. So we finish with our model, we can finish our controller, which is the last part, because we've got our view, we've got our model, our model, and now we need to connect them, and that's why we need the controller. So this final version will include logic to process the calculations and to try and make sure that the equal sign works correctly. We've already got the cancel sign working. All we need now is the equal sign to work. So if you go to PyCalc controller, and over here we're just going to add some more lines. So inside here we've got view, and we're actually going to add in model as well. So we've got a model, and now self dot evaluate underscore evaluate equals to model, right? And now we can create a new function. Define calculate result, and okay, forgot the underscore here. Define calculate result, and then we need result equals to self dot evaluate, and then in the brackets we need expression equals to self dot view or display text. There we go. And now we need to do self dot underscore view dot set display text and the result. And now we go ahead and do what we did for the clear button, sorry. However, we need to add something. We've got this bit, yep. So our build expression function, which is right over there, let's add in if self view is self view dot display text is error message, then self dot view dot clear display. Right, okay. And we need the brackets right over there. Right, so there we go. We've added those two lines here. Now the one last thing that we need to do is what we did over here for this, and we'll do that right now. Right, okay, so self dot view dot buttons, and then we're gonna have the equal to dot clicked dot connect, and then self dot calculate result. Yep. And now this one we need self dot view dot display dot display dot return pressed dot return dot connect, and then self dot calculate result. Right, okay. So first of all, we add in the parameter to the init function to model, and then in calculate result, we take the display's content and then evaluate as a maths operation. So we do that, and then we also added an if statement over here, so to check if an error has occurred, and if so, clear the display and start over with a new exception, a new expression. And then we added in two more connections inside here. To the first one enables the equals to sign, so this one, and ensures that when the user hits enter, the calculator will process the expression as accepted. So right over here as well. So we added those, and now to do the last thing, what we need to do is add just 2 lines of code to our main function, and then I guess we're done. So I guess after this, yes. So model equals to evaluate expression. Don't need the brackets there. And then PyCalc control model equals to model, and then view equals to view. Equals to view. Right. Okay. Why can it? Here it's okay. Right. Okay. So let's run this. Okay, and we have an error. Receive. Oh, right. Okay. Did we say model? Yeah, with the E. That's what we need to say here as well, because otherwise that won't work. Now we run this. PyCalc. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. This bit, we need to remove that bit. Right, there we go. Now if you run this, okay. I've got an unexpected keyword argument model. Why is it saying that it's unexpected? View equals to PyCalc UI model. Okay, yeah. All the models need the E. Right, okay, so 9 times 9 equal to an 81. So there we go, our calculator works, and we've just created ourselves a calculator in PyQt. It's only just PyQt, nothing else, just PyQt. The cancel button works, our 0 button works, the extra zeros. Yeah, everything works, and we also get the error message, and then again, yeah, again the error message. So that was our calculator. So now that we've finished this, I hope you like the course, and I hope this gets you excited about the complete PyQt bootcamp, which is going to have more than 10 projects in it. Right, so that's more than 10 projects in one course. Okay, and it's not only that, but I've looked on loads of other places and I couldn't find a single PyQt bootcamp. All that I could find was single projects, and even those were the things that people were buying, and I was like, what? Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed making the calculator. I'll be adding all the code as well, and I'll see you again soon.